Hello friends, I am Manoj. Today I will show you my sweet room, my sweet home, okay, where I live with my mother. Okay, so let's start. Look friends, you can ask me why I live in this house, why I live in a rented house. I have told all of you already that I live in a rented house because I don't have any I don't have my own house. I I live with my mother in this rented house and I give tuition, and this is how um I earn and I study and I help my mother. I try to help my mother, and that's all friends. Okay, so let's look at my home, my room, my only room. This is my only room. There is no other room. Okay, this is the only room, and there is a veranda, there is a floor where my mother cooks for me. Okay, look friends, this is my bed where I sleep at night, and this is my chair, and this is the bed where I keep my I put my books and study, and this is the window, and there is another window here. This is Swami Vivekananda's picture, and this is a wall clock, and this is a picture my and my mother's, and these are my books. Okay, and there are two boards. Okay, and this is a world map. This is APJ Abdul Kalam's picture, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's picture, and last but not least, these are some books. Yes, this is my study table, you can say, and this is my chair where I study, and I make videos for all of you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can you can get the notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much. Okay, tata friends.